Munira listened to the temple bells ring over the mountains. Munira listened, मुनीरा ने सुना टेम्पल बेल्स, मंदिर की घंटियों को बजते हुए, रिंग ओवर द माउंटेन्स, पहाड़ों पर. मुनीरा ने सुना मंदिर की घंटियों को बजते हुए पहाड़ों पर. शी आस्क्ड मैनी क्वेश्चंस, उसने अनेक क्वेश्चंस पूछे. डिड शी फाइंड एन आंसर, क्या उसको उन प्रश्नों का हल मिला? टू द मैनी क्वेश्चंस दैट अरोज इन हर माइंड, जो उसके मन में उभरे. अरोज मीन्स उभरे. माई डियर मदर, वाई इज द स्काई सो ब्लू, आसमान इतना नीला क्यों है? वाई इज द रोज सो रेड, दिस आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड. वाई इज द ओशन सो वास्ट, जो महासागर इतना विशाल क्यों है, और स्टार्स इतने टाइनी क्यों हैं, और माउंटेन्स इतने ऊंचे क्यों हैं, और तुम्हारी आंखें इतनी काली क्यों हैं, और मेरी प्यारी माँ तुम इतनी सुंदर और दयालु क्यों? वाई डज द सन शाइन, सूरज चमकता क्यों है? पक्षी गाते क्यों हैं? मोर डांस क्यों करता है? और मंदिर में घंटी क्यों बजती है? मेरी प्यारी माँ तुम इतना प्यार क्यों करती हो? Why has the sun set, सूरज क्यों डूब गया है? Why has the wind changed, हवा बदल क्यों गई है? Why has the river dried, नदी सूख क्यों गई है? Why has it not rained, बारिश क्यों नहीं हुई है? Why has the water over the hills frozen, पानी पहाड़ों पे बर्फ क्यों बन गया? फ्रोजन मीन्स बर्फ. फ्रीज, फ्रोज, फ्रोजन. माई डियर मदर, वाई हैव यू नॉट रिटर्न, मेरी प्यारी माँ तुम वापस क्यों आई हो? द बर्डीज पीप आउट, जो छोटे छोटे जो पक्षी हैं वो झांकते हैं, झांकना. द काफ सीक्स द काउ, जो गाय है, गाय का बच्चा गाय को पुकारता है, उसके पास जाने की कोशिश करता है, उसको चाहता है. माई डियर मदर, माई हार्ट वीप्स, मेरी प्यारी माँ मेरा दिल रोता है. एलोन एंड सैड, अकेला और उदास. आई अवेट योर रिटर्न, मैं तुम्हारी वापसी का इंतज़ार करता हूँ. वाटर हैज़ फ्लोन, द विंड हैज़ ब्लोन, पानी बह गया है और हवा भी बह गई है. और सीजन्स हैव चेंज्ड, जो मौसम बदल गए हैं. सन हैज़ रिजन वंस अगेन, सूरज फिर से उभर आया है. मदर हैज़ रिटर्न, माँ वापस आई है. माई डियर मदर, माई मदर आई एम इन यू, मदर आई एम्ब्रेस यू, माँ मैं तुम में हूँ और माँ मैं तुम्हारा आलिंगन करती हूँ. मॉडल ए एंड मॉडल बी. मॉडल ए verbs has different forms, जैसे eat, ate, eaten, do, did, done, write, wrote, written. The model A has verbs of this form: have, had. Descriptive sentences like rose is red, the rose was red, the rose will be red. High mountains are high, mountains. The ocean is vast. Your eyes are black. All these are descriptive sentence and they belong to model B. B1, we'll be having three models: B1, B2, B3. This belongs to B1. Sing, sang, sang, singing. Flow, flowed, flowed. Flown, flowing. Blow, blew, blown, blowing. Love, loved, loved, loving. Look, 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 looking. Adjectives are red rose, high mountains, tiny stars, black eyes, beautiful mother, sad Munira, lonely Munira. Tiny stars, acha. Now these sentences, adjectives, red rose, rose is red, all these come under group B. River flows, river flowed, river is flowing, river was flowing, the river will flow, the river may flow, the river has been flowing. The river is dry, the river was dry, the river will be dry, the river is going to be dry, the river may be dry, the river has been dry, the river has to be dry. Now these are different sentences in group B model, and dry is the complement to the verb dry. Why do the birds sing? The birds sing. Do the birds sing? Yes, the birds sing. Why do the birds sing? Why are the mountains so high? The mountains are high. Are the mountains high? Yes, the mountains are high. No, the mountains are not high. Why are the mountains high? Now, high is a complement to the verb are here. If the mountain is high, then it is complement to the verb is. Mother loves. Does mother love? Yes, mother loves. No, mother does not love. Why does mother love? I love. माँ प्यार करती है क्या? माँ प्यार करती है. हाँ, माँ प्यार करती है. नहीं, माँ नहीं प्यार करती है. माँ प्यार क्यों करती है? I love. मैं प्यार करता हूँ. क्या तुम प्यार करते हो? Do you love? Yes, I love. No, I do not love. Why do you love? I am kind. Are you kind? Yes, I am kind. No, I am not kind. Why are you kind? This is group B. मैं दयालु हूँ. क्या तुम दयालु हो? Mother is kind. Is mother kind? Yes, mother is kind. No, mother is not kind. Why is mother kind? Your eyes look black. Make a dialogue. Now see, when look is come, it comes under group A, because looked. And when your eyes are black, the sentence comes into B. Now your eyes look black. Make a dialogue. Do your eyes look black? Yes, my eyes look black. No, my eyes do not look black. Why do your eyes look black? Your eyes are black. Make a dialogue. Your eyes are black. Are your eyes black? Yes, my eyes are black. No, my eyes are not black. Why are your eyes black? Your eyes were black. Were your eyes black? Yes, my eyes were black. No, my eyes were not black. Why were your eyes black? Your eyes will be black. Will your eyes be black? Yes, my eyes will be black. No, my eyes will not be black. Why will your eyes be black? Stars appear tiny. Now when appear is a verb taking appear, appeared. And make a dialogue. Stars appear. Use do. Do stars appear tiny? Yes, stars appear tiny. No, stars do not appear tiny. Why do stars appear tiny? Stars appear tiny. Did the stars appear tiny? Yes, stars appear tiny. No, the stars did not appear tiny. Why did the stars appear tiny? Stars will appear tiny. Will the stars appear tiny? Yes, stars will appear tiny. No, stars will not appear tiny. Why will the stars appear tiny? Stars are tiny. This is B. Are stars tiny? Yes, stars are tiny. No, stars are not tiny. Why are stars tiny? Mother has not returned. No, mother has not returned. Has mother returned? Yes, mother has returned. No, mother has not returned. Why has mother returned? Return. So it is in group A. Now if I say mother is away, mother is far, so this comes under B. Is mother far? Yes, mother is far. No, mother far. Why is mother far? The sun has set. Has the sun set? Yes, the sun has set. No, the sun has not set. Why has the sun set? The sun had set. Had the sun set? Yes, the sun had set. No, the sun had not set. Why had the sun set? The wind has changed. Has the wind changed? Yes, the wind has changed. हवा बदल गई है. Why has the wind changed? The wind had changed. Had the wind changed? Now the sun is not in the sky. Now this comes in B. Is the sun in the sky? Yes, sun is in the sky. No, sun is not in the sky. Why is the sun not in the sky? The wind was different. Was the wind different? Yes, the wind was different. No, the wind was not different. This comes in the group B. It has not rained. बारिश नहीं हुई है. Why has it not rained? बारिश क्यों नहीं हुई है? Water over the hill has frozen. Why has the water over the hill frozen? पहाड़ों पे पानी बर्फ क्यों बन गया है? Water over the hill had frozen. Why had water over the hill frozen? Now freeze, froze, frozen. Now if I say water is frozen, now this sentence comes under B, because see here frozen is used as a adjective here. The structure is different here, because the water is freezing will come in A, but here just take it, it is frozen, it was frozen, it will be frozen. This comes under B. It's something like a passive, or it can be, this frozen is used as a adjective here. Mother has not returned. Why has mother not returned? Mother had not returned. Why had mother not returned? Mother is away. Why is mother away? Mother was away. Why was mother away? Mother will be away. Why will mother be away?